So I'm going to be showing you another Python script for Jira, but instead of adding the comments, it will actually add some of the labels. And based on those labels, you will be able to actually query for those labels. Now, let's take a look at the script now. So this is the script, as you can see right here. This is always going to be the same. It's always going to ask for Jira URL, your email, and API token. This is where we're fetching all of the issues, and this is our JQL query. So this is what we're having in here. So it's saying, first of all, the project equals mobile, and the status category that it's not done. And it's saying for the new label that is actually being urgent. These headers are always going to be the same. So instead of having this, I'm going to say priority equals critical. So we're going to do that instead. Maybe there are not going to be any, but instead, having one project, I'm going to go with the priority. That equals critical. New label, urgent, then it's gonna give us the responses, the maximum results, it was 50. And I actually, instead of 50, I put here to be 100. So it's saying, so when you actually find the issues, if the code is 200, which actually means we're actually gonna add them to the list. If there are no issues in here, no issues are found, we're actually exiting the whole program. So now what happens is how many issues were found, and the updating of the labels begins. And now it's gonna append, so it's gonna append the labels, and also it's gonna update the payload, and with the fields and the labels, they're gonna be the updated labels. Then what is it going to do? If the update status code is 204, that means label has been updated for, or it's going to say, well, it failed and there is like an error fetching issues and why it has actually failed. So let us see here. So it's doing some of the stuff, and it's doing updating the labels for these issues right here. Basically, there are like a bunch of them, so this can actually take some time in here. So if you don't want to bulk update all of those things, right, you can actually do this programmatically. Okay, so that is going to update a bunch of these issues in here. Yeah, and I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting because it's gonna do a lot of stuff in here. So that is another handy thing. Even more handier than the comments. Why? Because labels are globally based. Comments are actually based on your projects. They're not based like globally. It's like project by project. You don't have something like global comments. All right. So it seems that it has finished. Okay. And that's nice. So let's see here. View all issues. All right. What do we have? So we have priority. Priority equals to critical. Labels were not actually added, which is weird. Let's see that again. Maybe it takes some time. No. Story points, critical, labels, urgent. There we go. Labels, urgent. Let's see for more. There we go. It's saying the priority. So it takes a bit of time for it to update. Let's make this a bit easier. Okay, labels, urgent. Labels, urgent. 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 See how it goes? Labels, urgent as well. Let's see, API testing. There we go. That goes in there as well. Critical, labels, urgent. So, as you can see, it does most of them. And it didn't specify the Jira Service Management project, but then again, it did update a lot of issues in there. So, if you actually want to bulk update the labels, you can do that with this simple Python script. Yeah, that is it for me. See you in the next video. Bye.